previous surveys also showed a pattern of decline in your ratings. Can we get a
Wait,
comment?
what survey?
Which is to say, ay naku, mukha mo.
Pulse Asia, sir.
Pulse?
Yes. Can we get your comment?
No? That is a very serious question, mga kadonatics.
Madami pag survey, just not base it on one.
Hello mga kadonatics, kakapasok lang isang interview ni Marcos Jr. kung saan ang isang journalist nagtanong sa kanya kung bakit bumulusok pababa yung rating niya. Sa latest Pulse Asia survey kasi mga kadonatics, nasa 25 or 26% lang siya mga kadonatics. It means grabe yung pagbaba ng kanyang rating. While si Tatay Digong at si Inday Sara, pataas. Ngayon, masosurprise ka sa kanyang reaksyon. Tumawa lang, nag-smirk mga kadonatics, na parang sinasabi niya talaga na maniniwala kayo dyan. What? This is a very serious issue mga kadonatics. It means pag ang mga tao ayaw na sa isang leader, all you need to do is to step down. Huwag nang magpagarapalan pa, huwag nang magpakapal ng mukha. Dapat go down ka na. Kung majority na ng mga tao ayaw na sa'yo, be a leader, be a man enough to go down. Sinabi niya lang na, maniniwala kayo sa Pulse Asia, marami pang mga survey. Like yung survey nila na Okta, sila mismo ang gumagawa. Kaya ang tataas ng rating nila doon. Nako naman, eto, panoorin natin.
Sir, according to the latest Pulse Asia survey, your trust rating is significantly lower than that of Vice President Sara Duterte and former President Duterte. And the previous surveys also showed a pattern of decline in your ratings. Can we get a
Wait,
comment?
what survey?
Which is to say, ay naku, mukha mo.
Pulse Asia, sir.
Pulse?
Yes.
Parang sinabi niya, Pulse? Wala yan. Fake news yan palagi sa akin. Ay, nako. Tingnan mo yung mukha niyo. Pulse? Huwag kayong maniwala dyan. Gusto pa rin ako ng mga tao. Bugok! Bugok talaga.
Can we get your comment?
No? That is a very serious question, mga kadonatics.
Madami pag survey, just not base it on one.
Sir, follow up lot. How do you plan to arrest yung decline in your surveys?
Ayaw sumagot.
Well, again, let's look at other surveys before we act. Know your source. That's always a imperfect information makes you make imperfect decisions. The more perfect your information, the more perfect your decision will be. That is one source of information, and you have to understand where it's actually coming from.
Saan kaya inugot niyo yung kakapalan ng mukha niyo, mga kadonatics? Like, how? How? Ang tao nang nagsalita na ayaw na sa'yo, ang tao na mismo ang nagsalita, mga tao mismo, na ayaw na talaga sa'yo. Pero for some reason, ayaw niyang maniwala, mga kadonatics. Tingin niya, gustong-gusto pa rin siya ng mga tao. Like, how? Hindi ka na nga kinakawayan ng mga tao pag nasa public ka. Minsan napipilitan lang sila. Grabe talaga yung kapal ng mukha, mga kadonatics. Like, nako, ewan ko na lang. Tapos, that is a very serious question. Kasi, it means, mga kadonatics, you're not functioning as a leader anymore kung ganun kababa yung survey mo. You have to answer it directly. You have to answer it directly with facts and everything, mga kadonatics, to satisfy the audience, the journalists, or the Filipino people. But eto, what the? Ay nako, amot na lang sa imo. Well, magbasa tayo ng comment, mga kadonatics. Kasi halos lahat, tinatawanan siya at negatibo. Eto. Baka may makikita na naman tayong mga loyalists dito. Kasi alam nyo naman mga kadonatics, yung TikTok is flooded by the loyalists ng mga trolls. Nakita mo yung mga BBM videos, halos lahat I love BBM nga. Same lang sila lahat ng mga content, mga kadonatics, sa kanilang comment. At lahat yan, lahat yan, mga kadonatics, walang mga profile picture. Meron nga, pero iba. Nako, what na lang. Eto. Why he keeps on laughing? Like how? Tama. Diba? Hindi ganun si Tatay Digong pagtanungin mo. Kahit pa tanungin niya ni Pia Ranada or ni Joseph Morong o ni Doris Bergonia. Lahat yan mga kadonatics, ha? Seryoso pa rin kahit na walang silbi yung mga journalist na yun mga kadonatics. Ha? Tatay will still answer it as serious. That depends on the question actually. That's what his reaction as well when he was asked by an Australian reporter about the corruption and got embarrassed. When the reporter asked back why he is laughing, that's his way of showing that he does not know how to answer the question. Awkward situation for him. Talking about the Australian journalist mga kadonatics na nag-ask kay Marcos Jr. about sa corruption. Eto, pakikita ko lang sa inyo. Few seconds lang to para sa mga kadonatics natin na hindi pa nakita yung interview na yun. Eto. Babalik tayo sa comment section.
Became wholly associated with the Philippines for a long period of time. I think contemporary court judgments acknowledge the atrocities that were committed, but also the plunder of the country's resources. Why wouldn't you want all of that money back in the hands of the Filipino people?
Well, we the narrative
May I just ask you why that's funny?
where that
Why that's funny? I'm asking you a question about the plundering of large sums of money from the Filipino people.
I'm thinking that maintains that idea maintains because it. I take exception to many of the assertions that have been made.
Is of course the question of corruption, which became
Sinampal siya. Why are you laughing? Huh? Because corruption is not a laughing matter mga kadonatics. Di ba? You have to answer it directly. Again, si Tatay Digong with the Al Jazeera. Kita niyo yung interview niya doon? Ang daming humanga from the way he answered questions mga kadonatics. Like, dang, top notch. Eto. What funny? Yes, your next survey is 1% na. Please, BBM supporters, watch this simple question cannot answer. This is your president? Tama. What's funny, Mr. President? Tama. Di ba? Ang mga ganitong liderato mga kadonatics, hindi na dapat mananatili sa pwesto. Be man enough to step down. Pag majority na sa household mo, ayaw na sa'yo, umalis ka na. Nakakahiya na talaga. In his latest interview mga kadonatics, ang sabi niya, why would I step down? Why would I run from the problem? Like, what? Ay, nako, comment down below mga kadonatics. What do you think about this interview? And of course, please subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.